Top 5 Profitable Sports and Fitness Business Ventures for Students in Europe. Are you a student in Europe looking to get into the sports and fitness industry? Well, there are plenty of opportunities out there for the budding entrepreneur. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 profitable sports and fitness business ventures for students in Europe. 1. Personal training. Personal training is one of the most common businesses in the fitness industry, and for a good reason. It's an industry that's predicted to continue growing, and there's always a demand for experienced and qualified trainers. As a student, you can get certified as a personal trainer while studying, and then start building a client base through word of mouth or social media. You can offer your personal training services in a gym or even at your client's home. 2. Sports nutritionist. Interest in sports nutrition has grown exponentially in recent years, and it's not just professional athletes who are hiring nutritionists. Many people are looking to improve their health and performance through better nutrition. As a student, you can study sports nutrition and offer your services to athletes, gym-goers, or anyone interested in improving their health and fitness. 3. Sports photography. If you have a passion for photography and sports, you can combine the two to create a viable business. You can freelance as a sports photographer and shoot events or games for sports teams or publications. You can also sell your photos on stock photography websites or create personalized sports or fitness photo packages. 4. Sports equipment retailer. The sports equipment market is huge, and as a student, you can tap into this market by opening up an online store for sports equipment. You can start small and sell popular sports items like footballs, basketballs, and gym equipment. As your business grows, you can expand your inventory to include more niche items and do collaborations with notable brands. 5. Fitness class instructor. If you are a fitness enthusiast, you can become a fitness class instructor and teach various types of classes in your local area. You can teach anything from yoga to dance to HIIT classes. Many fitness studios and gyms hire freelance fitness instructors, so you can also build a network of clients through these establishments. Final thoughts. These are just a few ideas for profitable sports and fitness business ventures for students in Europe. Remember, starting a business requires passion, dedication, and a solid business plan. Don't forget to do your research, seek advice, and always remain innovative. Good luck with your entrepreneurial journey. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZ.